Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. To get the latest update of this channel, please subscribe to AI Beyond Us. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Nowadays, we can create images from text with the assistance of AI image generation tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, Leonardo. However, the persistent question arises: how could AI transform a prompt image into a dynamic, realistic video? OpenAI's Sora addresses this challenge through the innovative use of space-time patches. In the rapidly evolving landscape of generative models, OpenAI's Sora stands out as a significant milestone, promising to reshape our understanding and capabilities in video generation. But how does Sora achieve such remarkable feats? Let's dive deeper into the technology behind this innovative tool. You can see, many people have tweeted about OpenAI's Sora. OpenAI also tweeted about its latest tool called Sora. Sora utilizes a transformer architecture, much like the renowned GPT models, unlocking superior scaling performance. However, what sets Sora apart is its utilization of space-time patches. By representing videos and images as collections of smaller units called patches, Sora can train on a wider range of visual data, spanning different durations, resolutions, and aspect ratios. This approach allows Sora to understand not just individual frames, but the temporal relationships between them, resulting in dynamic and realistic video generation. The potential applications of Sora are vast, from creating personalized content across various platforms to assisting in real-world problem-solving. Sora marks a significant leap forward in the field of generative AI. Imagine being able to describe a scene in text, and within moments, Sora brings it to life with stunning accuracy and detail. Of course, with innovation comes challenges. While Sora showcases remarkable capabilities, it still faces hurdles, particularly in accurately simulating complex scenes and understanding cause and effect relationships. Additionally, as with any AI advancement, there are ethical considerations to address, such as job displacement and algorithmic bias. But despite these challenges, Sora represents a monumental step forward in AI technology, offering boundless opportunities for creativity and innovation. As we continue to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence, tools like Sora remind us of the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. Stay tuned as we explore further developments in the ever-expanding realm of AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time.